Initially, the landowner had plans to build 2 houses on the same site. The first house, in a beautiful classical style, would be occupied by his parents. Meanwhile, the second house would be designed in a simple style for someone who was still productive. As a solution, the design team proposed to combine the 2 functions of the house into one building with a design that combines traditional and contemporary styles. Design elements such as white frames on the walls and ceilings are applied to create a simple yet elegant visual effect. The result of this design allows the house to create dimensions of light and shadow that change throughout the day. Lines of light behind the walls can also be added to provide a more contemporary look, suitable for evening events in the garden. To ensure that the house gets natural light throughout the day, the long sides of the house are designed parallel to the east and west. The eastern part of the house is made with solid walls to provide privacy and a museum-like impression, while the western side is designed to be open, connected to a large garden as the front of the house. The height of the openings in the house is adjusted using the concept of a corner niche to avoid excessive light absorption from the west side. For the children's room, the concept is one big room in the house, connecting the kitchen area, shoe hall, and living room. These parts are designed with corner niches, and use differences in level to create sofa areas and stairs. To create the impression of a large photo frame from the outside, the vertical empty space is filled with stairs that cross the tree garden. This staircase connects the bedroom to the mezzanine area designed for work. The connection between the 2 areas allows for a more dynamic space experience. Meanwhile, the parents' area is designed as a large hall that seems to have no connection. However, to provide privacy while maintaining aesthetics, a hidden pivot door is embedded, blending with the wall so as not to interfere with the overall appearance of the space.